Are you ready to bring the magic of campfire s'mores indoors? Meet the Nostalgia Indoor Electric S'mores Maker, your perfect companion for cozy family nights, parties, or anytime you crave a delicious treat. With its flameless electric heater, this s'mores maker gives you a safe and mess-free way to toast marshmallows to golden perfection. No wood, no flames, just plug it in and enjoy. The unit features 4 convenient compartment trays to keep your graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate neatly organized. Plus, it includes 4 stainless steel roasting forks, making it easy to share the fun with family and friends. Parents love it for movie nights with the kids, while others rave about its nostalgic charm for adult gatherings. Customers have shared that it's perfect for cold winter evenings or creating a fun dessert station at events. Cleaning up is simple too. The trays are easy to disassemble and dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time enjoying and less time scrubbing. Here's what people are saying. A must-have for indoor camping nights. My kids love it, and it's safe and easy to use. Perfectly toasts marshmallows every time. It's great for family fun and entertaining. Whether you're creating memories with little ones or treating yourself to a classic dessert, the Nostalgia Indoor Electric S'mores Maker brings joy, convenience, and deliciousness right to your table. Order yours today and rediscover the simple pleasure of making s'mores.